Hello everyone, my name is Ashok Prajapati and today I am going to show how to read data from the CSV file. Clear? Reading CSV file using CSV.reader function. Clear? If you want to read any content that are available inside the CSV file, then you have to need which function? CSV.reader function. CSV.reader function. Clear? To read a CSV file in Python, you can use the CSV.reader function. Clear? Suppose we have a CSV file named student.csv and I want to read this student.csv file and display the content on the screen that are available inside the student.csv file. Clear? Now move to the desktop and firstly I am going to show which data I am going to read from the CSV file. Open the write data folder, student.csv file here, right click and open it. Some contents are there. For example, first row contain name, class, fee, second row contain some information, second and third row contain some information. And today's topic is I want to read these contents that are available inside the CSV file. Clear? Without delay, let's write a program for reading CSV file. Open the Python IDE, click on the file menu and select new to create a new Python program. Firstly save it, select save as. Keep in mind location of the Python file and CSV file both are the same. Clear? That's why I'm going to save this file on the desktop and folder name write data. Write data. Where is write data? Here. Write data and save it. Write any Python name. For example, read file dot py. Clear? And save it. Now I'm going to write for code to read CSV file content. In first line we have to need to import CSV module. That's why I'm right here import CSV. This line provide all the functions that are available inside the CSV module. Clear? Then open the file that you want to read. For example, with open, pass the file name. In case I am going to pass student. Why? Because I want to read student.csv file content. In which mode? Read mode. Clear? And create object as file. You can write any name, no problem, but I am going to write file. In the third line, create the file object and use CSV.reader function to read a file. Clear? For example, a reader, you can write any name, no problem. Reader, assign CSV.reader and pass the file object. Clear? Then I want to print row by row. That's why we need here one for loop for row in reader. reader and pass the which name, reader, and print which one, row. Save and run it to check possible output. You can see here all the content that are available inside the student.csv file display here in the form of Python program. Clear? Are you getting my points? I think you can understand. Clear? फर्स्ट लाइन में हम किसको इंपोर्ट करेंगे? CSV मॉड्यूल को. सेकेंड लाइन में हम क्या किया, जिस CSV फाइल को रीड करना है उसको ओपन कर लेंगे. किस मोड में? रीड मोड में. यहाँ पे फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट हुआ किसका? student.csv फाइल का. किस मोड का? रीड मोड का. अब csv.reader फंक्शन इस फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट के जितने भी कंटेंट है उसको हमको किसके अंदर रिटर्न कर दिया? रीडर के अंदर. क्लियर? अब रीडर में बहुत सारे रो हो सकते हैं, 10, 15, 20 जितने भी हो सकते हैं. एक एक रो को इरिटेट करने के लिए या फिर प्रिंट करने के लिए 1 by 1 हमने क्या लगाया? लूप लगाया. अगर लूप नहीं लगाएंगे तो एक ही साथ पूरा प्रिंट हो जाएगा. क्लियर? तो हमने क्या लगाया? लूप लगाया, जिससे हमारा क्या है? एक एक रो प्रिंट हो रहा है. ठीक है? आपको होमवर्क में क्या राइट करना है? आपको सिंपल वे में यह डिफिनीशन राइट कर लेना है आपको CSV रीडिंग फाइल का, और सेकेंड में आपको क्या करना है? प्रोग्राम राइट कर लेना है. ठीक है? बस यही करना है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो.